Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie with the Appomattox Regional Library System. Coming to you with my latest pour paint video. This is a series I've been doing for our teens. And in this video, we're going to cover some advanced techniques, like using a strainer or the bottom of a soda bottle to change how your paint flows onto your painting. Start by mixing up your paint with 1/2 paint and 1/2 pouring medium. This is all explained in my first pour paint video. So to start using a strainer, you're going to want to cover your entire canvas with black paint that has been mixed with pouring medium. It'll just help the other paint flow onto it easier, and you don't have to really tilt it as much to get your painting completely covered if it already has the black on it. So put your strainer in the center of your painting and just start layering in your paint. You can do a dirty pour with this, but it doesn't make the pattern as pronounced, and you're going to get this beautiful organic pattern. It'll be different depending on what your strainer's like. There are actually kits where they sell multiple different types of strainers for this very purpose. Once you're happy with your painting, you can go ahead and stop and pull your strainer off and put it onto a paper plate or in a bowl. Next, I'm going to show you how to do the same technique. We're just layering in our paint, but now we're going to go ahead and we're going to lift up our strainer and we're going to start spreading that painting by tilting our canvas. And what we're doing is we're spreading out that pattern, and we've more or less used the strainer as a way to just evenly distribute our color. So that's all we've done, is use the strainer as a tool and not so much to get the pattern, just as a means of spreading out our colors. And I did have to go in, and sometimes you will get spots that no matter what you do, the color won't go there. So I found using the bottom of a spoon really helps that process. Next, we're going to start dragging our paint using that strainer. So we're going to load it up with paint, and then we're going to drag it, and then we're going to add more paint and drag it some more. What we're doing is dragging that pattern and the colors across our painting, really trying to get that pattern to go all over and letting our colors flow into one another. I then tried a little bit of a swirl. I really liked how that turned out as well. And then I lifted right up on my strainer, and it left me with that beautiful little flower image on there as well. This is the dragging technique. And then I'm just going in and filling in with the black. And this is a really great way if you don't like the unfinished look of the white showing, but you don't want to drag your image anymore. Because remember, the most important part of pour painting is knowing when to stop. Now I'm going to show you how to do this technique using the bottom of a soda bottle. So go ahead and cut the bottom off of a soda bottle. If you're using a small canvas, you're going to want to use like a 20 ounce. If you're doing a big piece, go ahead and get a 2 liter. You're going to want to put your soda bottle bottom in the middle of your canvas and start pouring paint over it. Again, you could do a dirty pour, but I really like a controlled pour when I'm doing something like this. And normally it will go down pretty evenly as long as your table is level and your setup is level. I couldn't really achieve that today because no matter what I did, I couldn't make it level, so I did have to hold it a little bit to make it level. So once you're done and you're happy with the pattern, you can stop right here. You could be done right now. You could decide to add something to the center and then be done, or you could go in and use the tilt method like we've done previously. This is just like when using the strainer. If you decide to tilt it afterwards, you're more or less just using the bottle to evenly distribute your paint and then just achieving the look you want by tilting your canvas back and forth. I hope you guys enjoy this craft, and I can't wait to see you at the library.